So there are definitely some products on Etsy that are making crazy sales and only has been around for a short amount of time. And if you were just thinking about selling these standard t-shirt products as well as sweatshirt products, then I want to share with you some other products that you could focus on that are just as easy to create and can sell just as well on Etsy. And I'll share with you even how to create similar products like you can see here that can be done with AI, as well as bring in nice text like you see here. And I'll even share with you an easy way to add in personalization like how you see here for these type of phone cases. I'm gonna share this all with you coming up next. There's a ton of products on Etsy that can do extremely well. And again, sweatshirts and t-shirts, listen, that's definitely a great product to sell. But maybe if you don't want to be in this area of selling t-shirts and sweatshirt, I would encourage you to look at other areas that can do well. And looking at phone cases is a great place to target tons of best-selling products and on products that have just been recently released. Like this product here has been around just for 6 months, but already made 86 sales. And the shop here is not a large shop at all, but it's all about finding these type of products that are clearly selling well. Now I'm going to share with you a very easy way to create these type of personalized products to sell on these type of phone cases. As you can see here, this is definitely coming out great, but Printify definitely have some great products for you to create. Just not your standard t-shirt and sweatshirt, but one of the areas that I have found to even grow in popularity is Printify's new lineup of necklaces. This is definitely a game changer if you are trying to sell print-on-demand products, but maybe don't want to focus on the graphic design space. Jumping into Printify's necklace is a great place to target as well. This product has been released just in the last couple of months here. This is definitely a simple addition to the product you can make, but clearly it is selling well. Here is another example of a product that Printify also sells. Again, as you can see, very simple to make, just putting in the letters tied to the person's request. And again, sometimes simple sells really well. And we can see this product as well has only been around for like 4 months, made well over 130 sales. And the question is this type of product in demand? And the answer is yes. We can see that 4 people bought this in the last 24 hours. And this is actually in line with the type of products Printify sell. This type of design here is all in line with their new product style, and there's multiple different type of styles and personalization you can add on these products. So definitely a lot of opportunities to sell here, in my humble opinion, that can do extremely well. So yeah, definitely jumping into Printify's lineup of necklaces and different type of jewelry, I think is an easy win. But another great product to target as well are these custom blanket products. I don't think a lot of people really focus on these, and this is going to be huge when we focus on the season like Mother's Day. This is clearly going to sell extremely well. And we even have some products now that, again, has been recently released, only like in 3 months, made 360 sales. And Printify also sell these custom blankets that can be easily integrated over with the AI process, like I'll share with you in a minute for the phone cases. Again, the same thing can be applied here. It's all about positioning your product well, again, offering value to the customer. And one of the things that we definitely see here is adding in personalization is going to be key. So again, if you're thinking about selling products, I think these two is a no-brainer if you want to explore new areas to sell these products. Now, again, we're here today to share with you how to create these type of phone cases that, again, is an easy sell in my humble opinion. Now, if you do want to get started with Printify, I make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below. You can get started absolutely for free here and still have access to all of their product categories that we talked about in today's video. And if you do want to check out Printify Premium, I'll make sure to leave a code down below so you can get this at a major discount here, which will help you save on all of these products here, as you will get a discount from Printify. Again, if you want to get started with Printify, I'll make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below. And how I was able to design this was with my creative prompt tool. This is my custom built tool that I give to my Etsy membership community to make it easy to create these type of AI design products. And where we're going to jump in today is the Remix Studio. And the cool thing about this is that we actually have the opportunity for you to put in a reference image so that the AI knows the overall style and just the design you want to focus on, and you can really remix and change that up. I'll leave the prompt down below so you can get the actual prompt you can use for this, but we were able to create this type of image here that came out extremely well. So from here, we're going to select Tumblr Wrap PNG variation, the pre-prompt. This works also for blankets, also for phone cases. The overall goal with this pre-prompt is that we want the design to cover from edge to edge and have no white background. This is exactly what this is going to help us do. So I want to use this full prompt here where it says to make this a full seamless design pattern, make the pattern small and make the background colored full of the design, no blank white spaces. And because this is going to be on a phone case, I really want the text that we're going to have here to be more so in the middle or the lower third of the design, which again will allow us to have room for that cutout when it comes down to the camera space here. And so with 3 variations and with the reference image I was able to plug in here from a previous design, this is what we were able to get as a result. And as you can see, that came out extremely well, definitely allowing us to have some multiple different variations of our design. And I think all of this can sell very easily on Etsy in regards to our phone case type of products. Now, the cool thing about this is that not only can we have a very colorful design like you see here, but we can go a step further and really make this unique to the customer. So the cool thing about this is all I have to do here is grab the design. This one here says Ballet Mom. I think this is great. I can go ahead and remix in Studio, keep everything custom as it is. It's going to use this design that we used for our AI product, but this time we're going to use this for a custom product. And all I have to do is tell the AI to replace the word mom with a personalized name. And that is all we have to do to still keep the consistency of our design and add in personalization. And here's the text that we added in here. We said replace the text mom with Jamie in script font, because again, we want to replace this text mom that's in the middle, that script font, to be the custom name that we add here. And when we hit generate, this is the result we were able to get. As you can see, it kept everything the same here, but we were able to add in this personalization, which I think is perfect. So again, being that we're going to sell this on a phone case, just make sure that your aspect ratio is 9:16, which is great for mobile. So we'll go ahead and upscale the image and apply this to our print on demand product with Printify. So to find these phone cases, you'll head over to catalog here, you head over to accessories, and then you head over to phone case. They have multiple phone cases here that you can sell, but the easy ones to just target are the ones that clearly have the bestsellers badge on it here. So we're going to go to one of these tough cases here, start designing. Again, you can choose the different variations of phone cases you offer. So now we're going to add in our design. We can drag and drop it over. Here is our design that we had that had no personalization to it. You can see this came out extremely well, definitely covering the space we want here right in the middle where it says a ballet mom, a mom tribe. We can go ahead and hit preview and see what this looks like here. And again, that came out extremely well. This is exactly what our customer would get. And as you can see, having that text a little bit further down, about in that middle to lower third area, makes it really great for us to have this text on our products, because we definitely want to be mindful of that camera cutout. But I think this came out extremely well. As you can see, this definitely came out well. We can straighten this up if we need to. We know the DPI level is high here because we 2x our upscale, which is going to be perfect for overall print. But as you can see, having that text in the middle definitely give us the opportunity to add in that personalization, which I think came out great. And once we see this in preview, I mean, that looks great. I mean, that came out wonderful. And as you can see, this is very easy for us to create multiples of these. Maybe not for ballet mom, but we can do this for basketball mom, softball mom, maybe add this to the beach theme. I mean, there's a lot here that we can definitely get into. Again, add this to the book lover niche, but there is a lot of opportunities to take different type of products that Printify offers, add in some personalization to it, add in some AI designs like we're talking about in today's video, and definitely sell well there. So if you do want to access everything I talked about in today's video, I'll make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below. And check out this next video here that can share with you another design trend that would do perfect for Etsy. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.